Hello, my name is Matthew Martin and I'm the head of Managed Services here at Octastar Technology Consultants. Today I'd like to take some time to share some information with you about a new integration we're able to offer for Ignite, Send with Docusign. With Docusign integration in Ignite, we can link your organization's Docusign account with Ignite, our cloud-hosted storage platform. So, you can create a document, save it to your folder of choice, and then send that document through Docusign. When the Docusign workflow is complete, you'll receive a fully executed copy of your document saved to the same folder from which it was sent. This should help you reduce swivel chair, ensures you always have a fully executed copy of the document saved at hand, and it makes sending contracts an absolute breeze. Let's take a look at an example. So I'm going to take a moment now to just demonstrate how effective and easy this integration is to use. I've got this example letter right here saved to my private folder on Ignite. And I need to send it to Randy Churchill. So I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click Share and Send with Docusign. Now when you click Send with Docusign, it'll open up a new web browser window, and after a few moments, it'll give you an idea of how the integration works. So Docusign enables you to send documents to other people and ask them for a signature. I'm going to click Continue. And then it's going to upload the file to Docusign. And once it uploads the file to Docusign, it may ask me to sign in. In this case, I'm already signed in, so I don't have to re-authenticate. And then you just go through the standard Docusign steps. So in my case, I click Add Recipients. I'm going to add Randy to this. And then I'm going to add myself. And I'm going to click Set Signing Order here so that Randy signs first and I sign second. Then I click Done. And then I go up here to where Randy is listed and I drag where I need her to sign. I'll click right there. And then I'm going to change it to me because I'm the second signer. So I'm going to click, wrong button. I'm going to drag my signature block down here. And then I'm just going to drag select to highlight. There we go. They're nice and lined up. And then I'm going to click Actions, Edit Message. So I'm going to set the email subject here. It'll always start with Please Docusign. Docusign Demonstration. Randy, please review and sign the attached document. I'm going to click, actually it's not attached. I'm going to click Done. And then I'm going to click Send. And once I click Send, this window will go blank. And then all we have to do is wait for Randy to sign it and return it. Okay, so now that my document has been signed by the remote party and returned, now I'm going to go ahead and finish the process out here. So I'm going to sign my part of the document. So I'm going to click on Review Document here, and it'll ask me to sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my account. And what'll happen is, because we have our multi-factor authentication solution, I'm going to need to do a two-factor authentication push here. So I'm going to send myself an authentication push. And on my phone here, I'm going to click Accept. And now I'm in here. I'm going to click Allow Location Access. I'm going to click Continue. And then just go through the signing process like I would normally go through for any other DocuSign. And then I'm going to click Finish. And once I select Finish, I'm going to be able to see this. It'll say you're done signing. And you'll be able to see it in your Ignite drive after a brief period of time. So if you click Refresh, you'll see the signed and fully executed copy of your document right here. And that's the Docusign with Ignite integration.